is about imaginary straight line from the navi up to the throat. It is straight from the navi up to the throat. The suggestion is to extend it up to the eyebrow center or Guru Madhya Kendra or Agnya Chakra Kendra. It is up to you. One straight line internally from the navel up to here, and taking the awareness along with it up to here, and then again down in the same straight line. Along with the awareness, the breath is imagined to be moving from the navel up to the eyebrow center, and then from the eyebrow center up to the navel. When this imagination goes on, there will be actual feeling of some movement of the prana up to here, from there to here. This is one of the very deep dharana techniques which helps us to go more deeper into the meditation. And if in the process of the meditation technique, in order to deepen the point of contemplation, if any straight lines are required to be drawn, they are to be drawn perfectly straight mentally, and if we imagine this few times, this becomes easy. So, be clear about the imagination of the straight line. That is only to point the way in which we have to move the awareness and attention of the mind. Here also, in the Bhrumadhya Kendra, the actual point of concentration in the technique can be at the center of the head, in the same place but at the center. So how to go to that center? One line from here up to the back of the head, one straight line horizontally inside up to the back of the head, and then from the top another vertical line which intersects this line. So wherever the imaginary line intersects this straight line from here to here and that another vertical straight line, that point is the point of Ajna Chakra. So it goes deep into the head, and then that center will be the point of concentration. When you are required to do so, only you have to do. But be clear about these imaginary straight lines. It is like a normal straight line drawn on a piece of paper, but instead of piece of paper, here it is being drawn mentally inside. These are the points where we can experience more concentration and absorption of the mind into the very process of meditation. Hari Om. ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरोः पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यम् मोक्षमूलं गुरोः कृपा हरि ओम. Take care of the position of your body. Sit comfortably erect. Position of your hands, thumb and forefinger together. Then open the palm to the roof. Keep the palm in upward position on your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Invoke the blessings of your Ishtadeva. Your chosen deity. Be attentive towards your body. Become aware of your body. Conscious of your body. Recognize the presence of your body. Feel your body. Slowly become aware of your chest. The center of your chest. The Hrudaya Kendra. The Anahata Chakra Kendra. Become aware of the center of your chest. Point your awareness, pinpoint your awareness on the center of your chest. The whole attention of your mind, total and complete attention of your mind on the center of your chest. Now slowly become aware of your nose, your nostrils, and become aware of the incoming breath. Feel the smooth flow of the incoming breath. Feel the feather-like soft touch of the incoming breath. Also feel the feather-like soft touch of the outgoing breath. Become aware of the smooth flow of the outgoing breath. Focus the total attention of your mind also feel the cool touch of the incoming breath inside the nostrils, the cool touch of the incoming breath and the warmth of the outgoing breath, the warm touch of the outgoing breath. Continue to be attentive towards this process. Become aware of the cool touch of the incoming breath inside your nostrils and the warm touch of the outgoing breath inside your nostrils. Now associate the mantra as long as the breath is moving in through your nostrils. Mentally, only mentally chant so. And then, as long as the breath is moving out of your nostrils, mentally Then again, when the breath is moving in through your nostrils, mentally chant so. Thereafterwards, when the breath is moving out through your nostrils, mentally chant hum. Your awareness on the smooth flow of the breath, then on the cool incoming and the warm outgoing touches of the breath, then the mantra so with the incoming breath and hum with the outgoing breath. All of them, may you be aware of all of them, conscious of all of them, and focus the total attention of your mind and continue to contemplate and meditate. Withdraw the attention of your mind from this process and slowly place the mind on the eyebrow center. Become aware of the eyebrow center, the Bhrumadhya Kendra, the Agnya Chakra Kendra. Become aware of the eyebrow center. Become conscious of it. Feel the center. It is the most conscious center available for human contemplation as a point of awareness and consciousness. Then slowly take the attention of your mind downwards in one straight line, the imaginary straight line towards the navel center. And become aware of your navel, the navi. Feel that the breath is moving upwards from your navi. The incoming breath is moving upwards. As long as the breath is moving in through your nostrils, so long feel that the breath is actually moving from your navi upwards up to the eyebrow center. And when the breath starts moving out through your nostrils, imaginatively feel that the breath is moving downwards from your Bhumadhya Kendra, the eyebrow center, towards the navi, the navel center. Then again the breath moves in through your nostrils and you imaginatively feel that it is moving from your navel center upwards up to your eyebrow center. Then again downwards up to the navel center. Strengthen your imagination, intensify your imagination and feel the movement of the breath, feel the movement of the prana upwards from your navel up to your eyebrow center and downwards from the eyebrow center up to your navel center. There is another option of the dharana here according to the Yoga Shastra. You can feel that the breath is rising upwards from the navel center in the form of a curve from your navel center. It goes from your left side, it takes a curve from the navel center, and then again it meets the eyebrow center. As long as the breath is going in through your nostrils, so long you will imagine that the prana is moving upwards, a left curve from your navel center up to your eyebrow center, and then as long as the breath is moving up, it takes again a curve from the eyebrow center to your right, and then again reaches the navel center. This forms a circle. As long as the breath is moving in through your nostrils, so long the breath is imaginatively moving upwards from your navel, taking a left curve and reaches the eyebrow center. Then the breath starts moving downwards through the right curve and reaches the navel center. These dharanas or contemplations are to deepen our inward movement of the mind and get used to it, and they help us in deepening the concentration and contemplation. Thereafterwards we can experience the depths in meditation. It is for this purpose these contemplative techniques are advised by the masters. When we get absorbed into these techniques, the mind becomes totally silent. We can feel the upsurge of the pranic energy, the spiritual divine energy. The mind gains a regular practice of going inwards and moving inside. When the breath is moving upwards, taking the left curve from the navel center up to your eyebrow center, you can mentally associate Then, when the breath is moving from the eyebrow center, taking a right curve towards your navel center. Hum. In the dharana techniques, the curve also can start moving upwards from the right side and then moving downwards from the left side. This is reversed in order to facilitate the depth in concentration and contemplation. You can remember these techniques and try them at your leisure. Now slowly and steadily focus the complete attention of your mind once more in this process. The breath is moving upwards from the navel center, taking a right curve and reaches the eyebrow center. As long as the breath is moving in through the nostrils, you feel this movement of the breath, movement of the prana, taking a right curve from your navel center up to your eyebrow center, and then as long as the breath is moving out through the nostrils, so long you will imaginatively feel that the breath is moving downwards, taking a left curve from the eyebrow center up to the navel center, and also associate these curves, the movement of the breath along the curves, with the mantra, bringing about the identity between the one who is contemplating and the Supreme Consciousness. When the breath is moving upwards, taking a right curve from your navel center up to the eyebrow center, mentally chant, so. Then when the breath is moving downwards from the eyebrow center, taking a left curve to the navel center, mentally chant hum. This process is performed in cycles of 3 or 6 or 9 or 12, meaning so many times as per your interest and availability of time. Slowly withdraw the attention of your mind from this process. And simply become aware of the eyebrow center, the Bhrumadhya Kendra, the Ajna Chakra Kendra. Become aware of it. Now slowly feel that the breath is moving in through the eyebrow center. Feel the movement of the breath at the eyebrow center. Even though the breath is moving in through your nostrils and moving out through your nostrils, you feel that the breath is moving in through the eyebrow center and then slowly moving out through the same center. Feel the movement of the breath at the eyebrow center. Slowly your attention and awareness totally shifts from your nostrils as far as the movement of the breath is concerned. It shifts from your nostrils to the eyebrow center. After few minutes, you will actually start feeling the pulsation of the energy, pulsation of the prana, prana shakti in the eyebrow center. The breath is moving in through the eyebrow center, the Ajna Chakra Kendra. Pinpoint your awareness only upon the center between the eyebrows, the Ajna Chakra Kendra. Become aware of it, conscious of it. Feel the breath is moving in through this center. And then slowly it is moving out of this center. Become aware of this process. This is also called as Chidakasha Dharana, Chidakasha Kendra. Allow the breath to move on its own accord, natural flow of breathing. But instead of the nostrils, you feel that the breath is functioning at the eyebrow center. moving in through the Chidakasha Kendra and moving out through this very Kendra. Become aware of it. When you deepen this process, you will forget about the nostrils completely and start feeling the movement of the breath totally at the eyebrow center. Slowly you will start feeling the pulsation of the prana, the pranic energy in the eyebrow center. It is a natural pulsation of the pranic energy in the eyebrow center, the Chidakasha Kendra, the Ajna Chakra Kendra. When you deepen this process regularly and sincerely, becoming aware of the pulsation of the prana shakti in the eyebrow center, when it deepens and deepens, when you deepen the practice, slowly after a long and continuous practice, one will start feeling the presence of the inner light in this center, the presence of the inner light in this center, the light in this center, the presence of the light in Ajna Chakra Kendra, the natural presence of the true light in this center. The light will be brilliant and splendorous, the bright light in this very eyebrow center. Some experience only the splendor and lustre of the light in the eyebrow center. Now withdraw the attention of your mind from the perception of the light and only focus upon the pulsation of the energy in the eyebrow center. Now slowly withdraw the attention of your mind from the pulsation of the energy and only focus upon the movement of the breath inside the eyebrow center. Now slowly withdraw the attention of your mind from the observation of the movement of the breath in the eyebrow center. Simply become aware of the eyebrow center. Simply become aware of the eyebrow center. Whenever in day-to-day transactions there is an upsurge of unwanted emotion which is appearing very forcefully and forcing us to get involved in it, at that time, if because of our practice, regular practice, and the grace from the above, if we can for a second, for few seconds, pinpoint our awareness on the center of the chest or then on the center between the eyebrows, the involvement with the unwanted emotion which is so forcefully drawing our mind along with it will be cut off. The moment the mind is totally attentively placed on the center of the chest, the Anahata Chakra Kendra, the Hrudaya Kendra, or on the eyebrow center, the Bhrumadhya Kendra, the Agna Chakra Kendra, the Chidakasha Kendra, one will experience a sense of freedom from the pulling emotion, pushing emotion, and slowly the emotion will subside and one would have already avoided unconscious, mechanical, reactive involvement in the emotion. Whatever might be the nature of the emotion, type of the emotion, pinpointing the awareness at that very moment on these centers will help us immensely. Some people, in order to get a immediate relief from this unwanted emotion. Also, focus upon the Mooladhara chakra at the base of the anal center, at the base of the spine. There also there will be a relief from the unwanted emotion, but here it is taking the attention downwards, but there will be relief. But the better one would be taking the attention upwards towards the center of the chest or the center between the eyebrows. We can experience this actually in our practical life and day-to-day living, and experience the distance and relief and freedom from the unwanted emotion. Become aware of your eyebrow center and slowly shift the attention onto the center of your chest. Become aware of the center of your chest. Slowly become aware of your chest. Become aware of your body, conscious of your body. Now slowly release your fingers. Slowly take your palms near to your eyes and position them at a distance in front of your eyes. Slowly try to open your eyes. Become aware of your eyes and eyelids. Slowly, very slowly, and look at your palms. And again close your eyes and lower your palms. చాలా